Hey, beautiful people. Somebody sent me a message on Instagram and told me it was like Cat Appreciation Day, and I wasn't prepared. Yeah, imagine that. So I rushed to the Pet Supply Plus store. We got some Temptation Kitten, the dairy and the chicken. Oh, salmon, dairy, and chicken and dairy. Some little shakes, they love them. It's got that coconut milk in there. And the Trouble Twins' favorite, the Squeezy Ups. And we got some Meow Mix. Meow! So good, cats ask for it by name. Right? Am I right? And I got a coupon. See, it says it's blurry. It says spend $40 and get $5 off. That's what we're doing here. Always gotta save that cash, right? Am I right? That's on the back of a Kroger receipt. They print off coupons on the back. Yep. Alright, I think we're ready. Let's make a little look see-through. I was looking for the Friskies Party Mix. They used to have pumpkin flavor, but it must be a seasonal one because they don't have any. They got chicken, salmon, I don't know what that is, tuna, but no pumpkin. Not today, kids, not today. What is that? What is that? Shrimp? No, I don't want that one. Yes. They got cheese crust crunch. That tastes looks good. I'm gonna get some cheese crust crunch. Yum 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 yum. Meow 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 meow. Up in the club, just broke up, doing my own thing. Decided to dip. Now I'm gonna trip. They're never gonna notice me. He never wants to participate. Well, this is a dance by myself. Dance like nobody's watching when there's security cameras everywhere. Look what I've spotted in the wild. The pumpkin-shaped sugar cookies from Pillsbury. Ooh. Let's see what else we found today. I know. I realized I was almost out of Mountain Dew. And it's hot, so I want to get me a microwave dinner to eat tonight instead of cooking something on the stove and making the apartment hotter. Found a sandwich, knocked down.
Look, we got snackers,
turkey,
cookies, and cheese. Hopefully Patrick won't eat them all.
Technically, there are 2 servings of snacks for $1.29. It's pretty good, right? I mean, he'll share farm. Anyway. I got some salsa and some, I can't pronounce that word, buitoni, beef ravioli. And if you buy like 3 participating items, you get $2 off each. So it's like this one and these goldfish. Snack that smiles back, goldfish. I think I'm done. I gotta get me a Mountain Dew because it's hot outside. There's your friendly reminder, box tops for education. You just download the app, scan your receipt, see, box tops, and then it's like money for your kids' school. So easy, right? She's like, beep, beep, get on the alien wagon. Liam's too old for the alien wagon. Good. Beautiful people, look what I found. gnomes. This dude got him an acorn. And these two got leaves. It's the same one. It's twins. $15.19. Ooh. No.
It's cotton candy flavor.
Look, it's mouthy and cakey. She don't know about that meow mix. And then everybody left. And I was filming bowls of food. Mr. Salem had another staple or stitch in his belly. I had to get it out right there where that little knot is. I got to looking and there was a stitch left in there.
Mom had to perform at-home surgery.
I took fingernail clippers and got it out. I was wondering why he kept licking and gnawing in that one spot. There's KK. KK! Look, now he's showing you his big old shaped tummy. But I don't know what he's doing. Let's see what's going on over here. I hear noise. Mom, I done eat it. I done eat it all.
There's our chunky girl.
I got tuna for Luna. You want another?
It's Cat Appreciation Day, apparently.
You want another one?
That's why she's so
There's my
chunky.
dinner. I haven't even started eating my dinner.
That's why she's so chunky.
Hang on a minute. There's Luna eating her tuna. Luna and tuna around. Look how chunky she is. She's chunky. What do you got to say, Soft? Would you like some treats too? It's Cat Appreciation Day. It's Callie. What? Would you like some? Life forms detected. No, you can't eat them all at one time. I told you. You already had two. She had two. She's trying to make me feel guilty. You don't need no more. Eat the biscuits. Eat the biscuits. You didn't even lick it all off. Look there. Are you covering it over? The other cats can't have it. I don't know what she's doing.
Hey, little girl.
I do hear that. What is it? It's Callie.
We should be able to code our names into our. So it says, "Hello, Callie."
Anyway, enjoy your beautiful day, beautiful people. Remember to appreciate your cats and kitties. Oh, what she's doing. What you doing, Lulu? Is she coming out? You gonna come out and say bye-bye? She's seeing all these good treats. These little shakes, I like them. What are you doing? She's so excited. She got something on her head. What she got on her head? I see a little glitter something. Did you see that glitter? She got glitter or something on her head. See? Like green glitter. I don't know what she got into. She got like green glitter on her head. Anyway, I'll catch you cool cats and kittens back here later.
Beautiful people, my treats are so delicious. You can't have any all for me. Me.